29.71 inches and falling. Some other reports across Michigan. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 86 at Alpena and 84 at Pilsen. At Gaylord, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 83. It was cloudy with a temperature of 77 at Hogue Lake and 77 at Sault Ste. Marie. The forecast for the Traverse City area. This afternoon, light showers and thunderstorms likely. Patchy fog. Highs in the mid-80s, southwest winds around 15 miles per hour with gusts to 30. Chance of precipitation 60%. Tonight, patchy fog in the evening. Mostly cloudy with light showers and thunderstorms likely in the evening. Then partly cloudy with chance of rain showers after midnight. Lows in the upper.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Highs in the mid-70s, northwest winds around 10 miles per hour with gusts to 20. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s.
I'll show them to you, and you'll see them shine.